वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अभी बज रहे हैं 4:30 एंड इट्स सो कोल्ड एंड जैंथ एंड माय लिटिल ब्रो ये लोग मुझे ड्रॉप करने जा रहे हैं और मैं जा रही हूँ आज गर्ल्स ट्रिप पे। We are going on a trip.
Yes, finally.
After
ये क्या है?
after so long.
Yes.
It's already सुबह हो गया है। सुबह सुबह ये नींदी नींदी ये फोटो वीडियोस
उधर देखिए. Hello.
Friends and I hit the road from Bhubaneswar for an awesome trip to the three Odisha places. These spots in the Eastern Ghat gave us culture, relaxation and nature vibes.
इतना बढ़िया टेस्टी एंड हेल्दी स्नैक ये होती है सर्वगुण संपन्न हमारी। रिश्ता पक्का और क्या करें, अब तो पक्का हो गया है और बड़ा ये जो खोजना पड़ता है ये अपने धुन में गाए थे। कितने पैसे गए कितने आने वाले हैं। इतनी शॉर्ट
The first stoppage which we took is the बरहमपुर। यहाँ पर ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत ही फेमस है तो हमने यहाँ का ब्रेकफास्ट खाया एंड ऑनेस्टली मुझे तो मेरे कॉलेज के डेज याद आ गए। मेरा यूनिवर्सिटी यहीं पर था, मैं यहीं पर पढ़ी हूँ। Next is a Taptapani hot spring. It's steamy water at the perfect warmth. Avoid going on a weekends because it's too much crowded. It also have a temple nearby. Second is Jirang Monastery. Jirang Monastery, guys, it is just so beautiful. It's a mini Tibetan right here. This big monastery with colorful stupa and spinning prayer wheels feels so peaceful. It's such a great feeling. We just chilled, watched monks and forget all our stress. And it is super close, just feel like your home. Last is Khasada Waterfall. It's a best for picnic spot, and when we went, there were so many school children for the picnic, and it was so crowded because of the weekend. But you can go on a weekdays to ignore the crowd. Also, you can track there, and you can have a full day enjoyment there. So yeah, these are all the places which we went. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and if you feel like you have got a little bit of information or entertainment from the video, do like it and give a comment in the comment section. Thank you.